Before diving into this video, we recommend checking out our previous tutorial on signing a document before uploading it to IPFS. Today, we'll explore the process of Symmetric Wallet password-based encryption while uploading the document to IPFS. Web3 encryption secures your data on your device, ensuring that only you can access it using your private password. This encryption uses the wallet's public key, which can be found in the security section. Now, let's encrypt the document and upload it. After choosing a file to upload, click on the Advanced Encryption Settings button. There are multiple encryption approaches available for you. We'll select the Symmetric Wallet password-based method and leave the encryption public key field blank, as it is not necessary. Once the upload is complete, the file will be encrypted successfully, and a success message will appear. It's important to note that you can't open an encrypted file like a regular one. Once the file is encrypted, you'll need this wallet or compatible tools to decrypt and view it. We are also developing Explorer and Viewer apps along the way. Now, let's check if the file was encrypted successfully. To interact with the file, you can click the Download button next to the Unpin button to save it locally. As shown, you can access the downloaded file from here. The downloaded file will appear in an encrypted form. When you click the Download Data button under Data or Content Operations, the data will be downloaded after it's decrypted. Key data will appear exactly as you entered it. When you click the Decrypt Data button, the decryption takes place. The data will appear exactly as you entered it. This is one of the encryptions that we have covered. To learn more about the other types, please watch our other videos.